Using the CGMA Competency Framework tool, Attraction and Recruitment Scenario. The CGMA Competency Framework can help you add value by strengthening recruitment practices for the finance function in your organization. Using the tool, we will work through a realistic recruitment scenario. You are a controller and you need to fill a vacancy for a senior finance manager in your team. When you look at the job description for the role, you see it was last updated over 5 years ago. You have greatly developed your team since then, and the description no longer reflects the profile of the candidate that you need. Start by opening the spreadsheet and go to column F, I am or my next role will be. This column includes examples of different job titles that match the statements of competencies at various proficiency levels. These will help you develop job descriptions for specific roles in your organization. Use the drop-down to select Senior Finance Manager. The list of competency statements in column A is too long for the job description, and you may wish to select only the intermediate option under column B, Proficiency Level. Sharpen your focus by eliminating knowledge areas that are not core to the role. These might include accounting information systems and project management. According to your organization's needs, you can refine further until you have a manageable list of competency statements. Get started today!